How to increase or decrease contrast color in a photo on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, tap on the picture that you would like to edit. And then we go down and tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the tone button at the bottom. Then we scroll across and tap on contrast. Now at the bottom here is the slider bar, so you can drag on the slider bar to the left to increase or decrease the contrast color. So here if you drag it to the left, you will increase the contrast color up to 100%. Drag it to the right to decrease the contrast up to a negative 100%. And that's it. So that is how you can increase or decrease the color contrast in your photo. Finally, tap on save and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.